Welcome everybody to this community call for Falco. Please be kind to each other. We are following the code of conduct from CNCF. This call is also recorded, so please turn off your camera. Anyone, no one has his own camera off, but you can turn it off if you want. And today I will be the MC, and we only have one highlight. We made significant updates to the Falco website based on the TOC feedback. Who wrote that? Vicente, is that true?
Hello, are you talking about me?
I'm talking, we have an highlight for this week, but I don't know who wrote that.
No, that wasn't me. I haven't added that item.
Or maybe it's a copy. Oh, sorry, it's a copy paste from previous week. So no specific item for them. We don't have anything except the item from you, right?
Sure. Let me just share my screen. Yeah, so hi everyone, I'm Rohit. I am participating in Google Summer of Code this year with Jason Delalucia as my mentor. So what this is it's a Falco. So for this year, the proposal was to create a Falco playground to compile the rules or to make checks if the written rules are correct or not. So to give you a basic idea, what's going on here is first of all, the site doesn't use any backend. So the rules is the way the rule is compiled is by libs and Falco both converted to WASM. So we made a new target for WASM and libs. So now it supports WASM. You can check out the PR if you're interested. So after compiling, we just hooked it up here to the website, and then just to show you. So here, this is where you write rules and stuff, just like a code editor. And if you it supports auto compilation and stuff. So if you're making any mistakes, or if you have any compilation errors, it will show up as it is. So yeah, that's the basic gist of what this does. And there's also other features, like as you can see over here, it's just a run button over here just to make sure if you want to run it like multiple times. And if you want to import a YAML file, you can do that as well. So this is an YAML file that can be important, and as soon as it gets imported, it'll automatically compile. So whenever there's a change in the editor, it automatically gets compiled. And download as well, pretty straightforward. And copy button, copy to clipboard, so Control V and Control Z. Yeah, and then we have examples just to give give some or put some content in the editor. So this is one example. This example is, we're just experimenting as of now. This is supposed to have errors, and yeah, so all this. And then we also recently we hooked up a feature where you can run it against a SCAP file. So let me just show you that real quick. So, and then so over here, yeah. CVT.type equals. Oh, I forgot. supposed to be connected. And then if you run it against cap, you get the results of when you run it against cap as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If Jason is here, if he could talk if you can add on something else, that would be also fine. Also, if anyone if anyone wants to suggest anything, an improvement in our changes in UI, I'll happily take it. I just want this product to be the best. So yeah, I'm up for any changes and stuff. That's from my side.
Yeah, first of all, amazing work, because this is really amazing. So like now Force can validate the rules directly on the website, if I understand well. Moreover, or at least one question, we can validate as many rules as we want in this framework, or we have a limit or something like that?
No, as of now, we can validate any number of rules.
Cool, amazing. And we have also the feature to run a scope file and see every rule that is triggered by that scope file with that rule set that you loaded into the page.
Yeah. The
Cool.
current rule set, it'll run it with the SCAP file. So the future, so I was thinking, future upgrades would be adding a share button. So you can, so whatever code you write, that can be shared. So I from what I've noticed in the community, people are going wrong. There are some going wrong while writing rules. So what you can do is you can, the content can be based encoded and put to URL. And then when you click on that URL, it'll be encoded again or decoded. And then you will have that content or that code editor, and then you can share it around and stuff. So that is the thing that I'm working on right now.
Yeah, it would be useful for sure. And another thing that I want to ask you is that which is the Falco version that you are using to validate the rules in that example?
The Falco version here,
or at least you're using a stable tag, or we are using the Falco dev image, for example.
We have compiled it from the lib, so it's 0.35.1.
Yeah, of course, because 0.35 doesn't have the feature. Yeah, sure. You're using the dev version. So thank you on my side, and amazing work, really.
Thank you.
Just a couple of questions. For the SCAP, is that like a stock SCAP file, or can you upload? Or can you upload like a specific one?
Yeah, that's a stock. I've just uploaded it in, put it in a static folder as of now for experimentation. In future, we'll be giving an option to even upload your own SCAP files as well.
Awesome. No, really nice work.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, huge shout out to Jason as well. He helped me compile all the WASM stuff, getting WASM all that sorted out. So my part was just web part of things. So yeah, he's not here, I guess. Yeah.
One other suggestion related to Andrea's comment about the version. It would be probably good to put the version somewhere on the interface so that the person knows what version they're doing against. You could even potentially support multiple versions in there, but just to have like something that says, okay, this is what the version of Falco that we're testing these rules against would be really good.
Actually, if you look into look in the terminal, it says 0.35.1. I'll just show you. I can show you the link. And then you can check it out.
Yeah, probably also having the possibility to change the Falco version would be amazing, because sometimes you use an old Falco version and you have the new rulest, the newest rule, and you don't know if it will compile or not. So testing it would be really great.
For sure. Yeah. I just shared the website link in the chat, so you can all check it out. So my GSOC period will end this month. So in the last 2 weeks, I'll be contacting with any of the maintainers to try to import it to or try to donate it to the Falco security repository as well. Very exciting.
just a small comment. Are you interested by having code syntax highlighter for the rules? I started to develop a way to highlight the syntax of the rules for rules explorer I'm developing. So if you're interested, I can share with you my
Sure,
my
sure.
draft.
Yeah, sure. Please do.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much it from my side. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Any extra item for today? Okay, so an announcement, the community call for next week is cancelled. I think a lot of you will be off. You deserve that for sure. So I don't know when will be the next one, maybe in 2 weeks or 3. We'll keep you in touch in the Falco Slack channel anyway. So enjoy your time off or your time on if you work, and have a good week. Thank you, everybody.